We would like to welcome everybody right here to our open house here at Vine Grove Elementary School. We've had an incredible turnout and we are looking forward to an exciting year full of adventures.
I'm Nancy McCoy. I'm with the Booster Club for Vine Grove Elementary, and tonight we're selling these lovely Trojan tumblers for $25 or 2 for $40. So what we do for the Booster Club is we just get different activities for the school and try to help all students.
My name is Austin Elms, and I am the son of the PAC coordinator, Miss Carol. She is moving on at this point, so we have a new one coming. Don't know who, but so PAC 134 is a PAC that's been running for close to 100 years now, and it's part of the Lincoln Heritage Council. Cub Scouts is a program that gets you ready for Boy Scouts. See, we go on trips. We have programs such as day camp. Here's one of our Cub Scouts as he shoots a BB gun. We also shoot bows and arrows. We go on a camping trip about three times a year. We teach you core values, 12 core values. And we teach you many other life skills that might eventually carry on into career or future hobbies in the future. We meet at Vine Grove Methodist Church on every Thursday on school days from 6 to 7:30-ish. Our first meeting for this year will be at Vine Grove Methodist Church August 16th from 6 to 7:30.
Rita's Hair Designs, we're volunteering to do the haircuts here at the school. We've done it for probably 10 or 15 years already, and we've done 34 haircuts already this year.
Hi, I'm Nancy Richardson. I'm the manager here at Vine Grove Elementary. I want to welcome everybody. This year, our breakfast and our lunch are free, so everybody should enjoy that. You can go online to the Hardin County website and look at the menu to see what we're having that day, and we also have an app that you can download on your phone, and it tells you what we're having and the calorie count and the carbs and all that stuff. And you have a good day.
Hi, my name is Rose. I'm the site leader for the Vine Grove After School program. Currently we are full to capacity, but we accepting applications for waiting list. We provide a safe and fun environment for the kids. We provide time for homework, we serve snack, and we open from 2:15 till 5:30. You can contact a central office for more information.
I'm Wanda Ballard. I'm the Director of Benefits for Hardin County Schools, and we're here at Vine Grove Elementary tonight recruiting for bus drivers, custodians, bus monitors, instructional assistants, substitute teachers. We have all kinds of jobs available. You can go on our website at hardin.kyschools.us and click on the employment tab, and then reach down and look and see what positions we have that are available to apply for.
I'm Barbara Gross, and tonight I'm talking to our parents about being a volunteer with our school district. The volunteers in our school help in the classroom, they help in the cafeteria, they go on field trips, so they're very valuable to our program. How can they apply? They can go online to our Hardin County District website, and under the parent tab it says volunteer at your school. Click on that, it'll take you right to the link to apply.
We are selling t-shirts today for the particular grade levels. Awesome. So we got the 5th grade is a play on Superman. Oh, I love the design. Yes. 4th grade. 4th grade.
There's good, there's better, and then there's 4th grade.
Awesome. Okay, well, we got 3rd grade.
This is 3rd grade.
Oh, I like that. Team 3.
And then it says,
Together everyone achieves more. 3rd awesome. 2nd grade. Woohoo.
1st grade.
1st grade.
And there's a back on that one. 1st grade. Practice like a champion.
I'm Taylor Larkin. I'm an off-site therapist with Communicare. We offer off-site therapy services as well as targeted case management and community service associates. We also do family-based therapy and therapy for adults as well.
I'm Linda McFarlin. I'm the outreach worker for the For You Family Resource Center through James T. Alton and Vine Grove Middle School, Vine Grove Elementary. We're here tonight at Open House, and our services help all our families. Any needs they might have, we try to fill for them.
I'm Ryan, I'm with Silkworm, and we're here at Vine Grove Elementary. We're selling the spirit wear, and we've got 5 different designs to choose from here. Black and white Trojan head, everything you want for Trojan Pride. And you can call us at 270-351-3187 or email us at silkworm@bbtel.com, and we do anything you can think of, custom designs for t-shirts and embroidery and everything under the sun.
My name is Camie Smallwood. I'm with Hardin County Transportation with all the other bus drivers here at Vine Grove Elementary. Yes. We are here talking to the parents and new students that we will be having this year about the bus and what time to be out and the rules of the bus. We would like the children to be out 5 minutes prior. And if the stop arm's out, we ask that people obey the stop arm, because when you pass that stop arm, that's you hitting a kid. Just remember that.
So you're here.
That we want these kids to be safe. That is our main goal. We want to get them to school and from school as safely as possible and without any injuries or anything like that. And other than that, we're looking forward to a wonderful school year this year.
I'm Nancy McCoy with Vine Grove Optimist Soccer Club, and we're here tonight hoping to encourage some kids to play soccer, to get out, be healthy, run around the fields. We'll be set up at Vine Grove Bingo Club through different Saturdays if anybody wants to register.
Hi, I'm Cindy Vowes, the Library Media Specialist here at Vine Grove Elementary. Thank you for joining us tonight at our open house. It's been an awesome turnout.